बीच में बोलना मत टपा।
Good morning, all of you. As I told you that we will start chapter number 13, surface area and volume. So today we are going to start chapter number 13. I have already sent you two videos related to the surface area of cuboid, how that formula is made, and the volume of a cuboid. Now we are going to start with exercise number 13.1. Exercise number 13.1, question number 1 of our NCERT book, page number 240. Two cubes, each of volume 64 centimeter cube. It is written volume is always being cube. Are joined end to end. Find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. So what are the major things we have to notice here? That the given information we have here, that volume of cube is given, two cubes, and what he want to ask us, he is asking to find out the surface area. So we always start with the given portion. In mathematics, whatever the given in our question, we will start with that part of the question. So first of all, I would like to tell you about, it is given here that the volume of this cube is 64 centimeter cube. Volume means capacity of this object or capacity of this. Capacity, whatever the things we can keep inside it, or how much water we can keep inside this of this size cube. So it is already given that two cubes are given, and volume of these cubes is 64 centimeter cube. That means each, this is also of 64 centimeter cube and this is also of 64 centimeter cube. These two cubes are joined together end to end. This end and this end are joined here. So after joining, it seems to be like a cuboid. So it is written here that resulting cuboid, we have to find out the surface area. Resulting cuboid surface area. These two cubes are joined and it becomes a cuboid. Now cuboid, you can see the surface area of a cuboid is asked, not the volume, but the information, the volume of a one cube is given, and he is asking us to find out the surface area of this. I already explained you in previous video that what is surface area or total surface area. That means we have to find out how much surface or how much area this object is covered in this fruit. Or you can, in another way, you can find it out. You can say that the surface, total surface, this surface, this surface, this surface, this surface, this surface, and all 6 surfaces areas. So we will start with this. First of all, the given information is given that we have here two cubes like this. Cube number 1 and cube number 2 is given. Cube number 2. Given, it is given that, given part is what? Volume. Volume of cube is given 64 centimeter cube. Now volume of cube is what? Volume of cube, the formula of a volume of cube is your H cube, or if you are going to see the first surface, so you can say side cube is also. So but it is a cube, so we have to write here H cube. So you can write either side cube or you can write your edge cube is equals to 64 centimeter cube. So we will take edge cube because it is written cube only. Now if it is edge cube, 64 centimeter cube it is given. Now once we shift this cube on that side, so it will be your one edge is equals to cube root 64 centimeter cube. It will be your cube root. At this point you have to write cube, because if you are not going to write, suppose you are going to write like this, it will be your square root. But here we have a cube, so we will find it out cube. Now we have to find out 64. H is equals to, I can write this 64, 4 centimeter multiplies 4 centimeter multiplies your 4 centimeter. 4 times is equals to 16, 4 is equals to 64, and your centimeter multiplies centimeter will be your centimeter cube. As it is written cube root, that means we have to make a pair of a 3. Pair of a 3, we can take 1 out. So your one edge will be 4 centimeter. That means this is your this side. This side is equals to 4 centimeter. Your this side is also 4 centimeter and this side is also 4 centimeter. If we will see, if we will think that it is your breadth, it is your height and it is your length, then each is of 4 centimeter because it is a cube. It is a cube. In cube all 3 dimensions are same. That's why it is called cube. Now after that he is asking us, are joint end to end. After this we are going to join these two cubes. Now this part we got 4 centimeter. This part also we got 4 centimeter and this part also we got 4 centimeter. In this also we got all 4. We are going to join these two like this. We are going to join these two. So this is also 4 centimeter. This one is also 4 centimeter. And this is also 4 centimeter. This is also 4 centimeter. So after joining we will have resulting cuboid like this. I have joined that two cubes in this way. So this part from this part is 4 centimeter and this part is also 4 centimeter. So you can see this, that this is from here to here it is 4 centimeter and from here to here it is 4 centimeter. So total is what? We have total, that is 4 centimeter. So total we will have here, total is your 8 centimeter. Then total means that is the length of a cuboid because this figure is cuboid. Now this is what, or that inside this part, this will be remain 4 centimeter because there is no addition backside, and this height will be your 4 centimeter. So if it becomes cuboid, we can say that this is your breadth part or breadth part and this is your height. So we have a dimensions here, cuboid. We have length is equals to 8 centimeter, your breadth is equals to 4 centimeter and your height is equals to 4 centimeter. This is our cuboid because it is written, it is joined end to end. We have already joined these two like this. So it becomes, after joining these two, it becomes 8 length. This part is 4 only and this part is 4 only. Here it is 4 only and height is also 4 only. Now we can see, now we have to find out the surface area. So surface area, you can write surface area of cuboid. Previous video I already told you that the surface area of a cuboid is 2 length into breadth, breadth into height and height into length, LV, BH and HL. So we will fill the information in this. That is 2, your length is what? 8 multiplies your breadth is what? 4 plus, always write little big. Should be little big so that you yourself can identify that multiplication you have written small and addition sign you have little big. After that your breadth is 4 multiplies your height is also 4. Now again addition sign, then height is your 4 multiplies your length is also 4. Now we have this surface area, or you can write total surface area also, because surface area, if it is not written total, that means also total surface area. Your 2 multiplies 8 4 times is equals to 32 plus 4 times is equals to 16 and 4 times is equals to 16. So if you have to add, now you have to add. It is height, it is length. Length we have 8 centimeter. Sorry. So 8 4 times is equals to 32 because it is a length. Length is 8 centimeter. Now we will add these two. So 32 64. 64 plus 10 74 74 plus 6 how much? 80. So it is 2 and 80. Now 8 2 times is equals to 16. 0 we will take it. So this is your total surface area and this is your answer. This is your answer. So he asks us total surface area. So total surface area is equals to 60. But it is what? Everywhere it is a centimeter. We have not kept centimeter here. So here we can have centimeter square. Here also centimeter square. Here also it is a centimeter square. So it is your 160 centimeter square. Now it is your final answer, 160 centimeter square. Now note it down.